Imagine waking up, grabbing your phone and seeing your clients' social media blowing up, new followers, comments, sales, all while you slept. Sounds like a dream, right? But with the world's first AI-powered social media agency platform, it's now reality. Meet AICora. If you want to try, I've dropped a link in the description below. This isn't just another scheduling app. AICora literally runs your entire social media business for you. No experience? No problem. If you can send a text message, you can build a profitable agency from scratch. Let me break it down. AICora creates, posts, and manages content for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and more. 24/7. All you have to do is text your AI manager an idea, a photo, or even just a command, and boom, it spits out posts, carousel graphics, viral videos, captions, hashtags, even trending topics. It schedules, publishes, and tracks results. No hiring, no editing, no design tools, no stress. You can manage unlimited accounts, clients, and brands right from one simple dashboard. Want to scale? AICora builds custom AI assistants that learn your client's business inside and out. Like a 5,000 per month content manager that never takes a lunch break. Let's say you land a new client in the fitness niche. Step 1. Pick the niche. Step 2. Launch an AI-powered manager. Step 3. Send it some photos or ideas. That's it. The AI handles the rest, creating visuals, writing captions, scheduling posts for weeks or months ahead, and even engaging with your audience. If you want to test it out, links below. But here's the game changer. You can literally launch a done-for-you social media agency in minutes and charge $500 to $5,000 a month per client, without hiring anyone, or spending hours behind a screen. You can run 10, 20, or even 50-plus clients at once, all powered by AI, from your phone, from anywhere. Got a blog post or news article? AICora turns it into viral-ready content instantly. Need post ideas? The AI generates unlimited trending topics. Want to A/B test? It creates endless variations for higher engagement. You can even rebrand and resell the platform, your own white label agency done for you. You want to grow side hustle pages, sell 30 days of viral content packages, drive affiliate sales, or just build your personal brand. AICora handles it. No steep learning curve, no expensive tool stack, no burnout, just text, review, and profit. If you're tired of doing everything manually, or you want an edge over every other agency still stuck in the past, AICora gives you the power of an entire team for a one-time price. So, if you're ready to watch your social media empire run itself, hit the link below to get instant access before the one-time deal disappears.